A hearty casserole with lots of Southwestern flavors using ground beef and pasta. Certainly will feed 6 hungry people. Delicious and great on the budget. Stay tuned. You probably have most of all these ingredients in your pantry. This Southwestern casserole recipe makes a lot of servings and will feed a large family. And these days we have to watch that budget and account for every penny. You can stretch that ground beef by adding a lot of tasty fillers, and this is exactly what this casserole is all about. In my pan on medium-high heat, I'm adding in 1.5 pounds of ground beef. I'm cooking and chopping until no longer pink. If there's any excess fat, you may want to drain some. Adding in 1 cup of diced onions, cooking and stirring for 2 minutes. Then I'm adding in 1 diced bell pepper and 1 seeded jalapeno. Cooking and stirring for another 2 minutes. Now I'm turning my heat down to a medium. This is 3 large cloves of minced garlic. And for the spices I have 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of taco seasoning, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of cumin, about 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and black pepper. Everything goes into the pan, stirring and cooking for 1 minute just to wake up those flavors. Next is 1 4-ounce can of chopped green chilies and 1 28-ounce can of tomato sauce, giving that a good stir. I can already see that I'm going to need to thin out my sauce, so I'm adding in about 3/4 cup of beef broth, giving that another good stir. For some more Southwestern taste and texture, I have 1 can of drained corn and black beans, bringing this up to a simmer and cooking for 5 minutes. Now I'm turning off my heat and I'm adding in 1/2 cup of shredded cheese. Actually, I'm using what I have in the fridge. This is a combo of cheddar and Monterey Jack. And to make it extra creamy, I also have 4 tablespoons of cream cheese, giving that a good stir until all the cheese is melted. Here's where I realized that I needed a big bowl to mix everything together. In my 9x13 casserole dish, I'm combining my meat mixture and 16 ounces of cooked large elbow macaroni. I cooked the pasta shy of about 2 minutes, and you can use any pasta of your choice. Getting everything stirred together, covering with foil, and baking at 375 degrees for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, I'm uncovering and sprinkling the top with more cheese. Baking uncovered for an additional 10 minutes or until the cheese is melted. And the Southwest casserole is done, letting that cool for about 10 minutes before serving. Garnishing with some chopped green onions. You could also use some fresh chopped cilantro or parsley. This is one of those meals that you can make 1.5 pounds of ground beef go a long way. I love all the textures, flavors, and comfort in this meal. I hope you give this Southwest casserole recipe a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!